Good evening, my friends, investors, and new investors into the equity market, especially. आज हम बात करेंगे whether are we running into the bull market. It might be yes, might be no. Let's see. Is there a possibility to break down the markets? I'll speak regarding that also. Till now, whatever I have spoken, my all videos are supporting natures, and I believe in the income from the market. That is why I always given you certain tips, and those tips are not restaurant tips, stock tips. So even the novice people have been invested boldly, they made money. They can make money by selling today, even tomorrow, even yesterday sold, make money. Sorry. My intention is all person into the market must make money, otherwise there is no question of continuing in the market. Now, in market we find out the people with the characteristics of bulls, and then we find out the bears, as well as we find out 80% are pigs in the markets. Now, bull they earn, bear also they earn. Pigs, they are happy after investment, and they do not take actively part in the market. Might be some of them, although being characteristics as pigs, have knowledges and all, they might not have time. So instead of stock, I'll say prefer to into mutual fund. Now, see what's happened. My question is, today's question is whether 2020 is a bull market we are running, and is the bull market is going to be over, or bear market is in front of us. Now, bull means नीचे से धक्का मारता है for hunting. From down, they attacked the opponents and take the hunting animals on the top, from down to top. Bear, they bring their hunting animals or the opponents from top to bottoms. Pigs, whatever movings they eat, and then they are happy after that sleep, and they do not go for hunting top to down, down to top or top to down. So pigs, their money mainly floated in the hands of bear and bull. You have to understand the fact. So we are those persons or personality or the trader or investors who are expecting the market to fall, and they may sell their holdings. And bulls are those persons or personalities or the traders who are expecting it is a bull market, they will buy at a higher price even or the big price, and ultimately stock will go up. So today obviously we are running in the bull market. But my question is, today's question is the bull market over or going to be over in the near future? Now let us see what are the characteristics of the bull markets. Now, in 2000 we have seen the bull markets. In 2008 we have seen the bull markets, and 2020 we have seen the bottom out. Bottom out. When? It is in the March towards end, middle towards end, March to end. Then, and today we are in the December 16th, and this So, how many months we spent? We have spent 8 months and going to finish 9 months. The question is, bull market runs for how many years or how many quarters? In 2000, we have seen the one sector which moved much, tech or technology. 2008, infra obviously, along with housing build up or house build up along with infra and power. But in 2020, what? Is it pharma? No, obviously. Because in housing, all the companies they took part. In technology, all the companies, large, mid, and then small cap, they took part. Here also they took part. In pharma, we are having only the specific companies are moving. And the main characteristics of the bull market, number 1 point is, one sector will move vigorously because bull are working on that. Along that, other sector also will move due to that. Here it happened, here also happened, but here it's not happening. We are not finding out any particular sectors. If I say that due to the COVID, pharma, not finding very much. Apart from pharma, I can stock specific movements. We can find out some companies which have moved 50%, 100%, 200% also. I can say you the stocking. Yeah, my interpretations, most of the videos, you can find out directive in natures, and I always invest in the fundamental basis. So people should invest either on fundamental, either on technicals. Technicals means the stock which started moving up and moving up, and when it started moving up, and if new high is seen, you can put money and then you will find good appreciations in short periods. But you have to have continuously in the stock movements, and if you find certain stop loss is there, you have to abide by the stop loss. So ये तो एक जुआ तो है ही है, और टेक्निकल में पूरा जुआ है. But fundamental means you be assured of the companies, you know the company is good one, and then you make investment. From my very first video till now today, I say the investors to put money into the fundamentals companies. So I am stock specific, not the sector specific. And it was the sector specific, but ultimately, so Sienna ban gaye 2020. So not becoming any sector specific, being the stock specific, and in the forthcoming years we find the people become more intelligent and they can put their money where the possibility of multiplication is there. So what I am speaking, are we running in the bull market? Obviously, because we are finding out the new high, but the foremost is it should be certain sector specific run that we are not finding out. Next, Whenever there is a bull market, it should be like alongside you find out the growth in GDP. Growth in GDP, gross domestic product, that economics, say GDP income or GDP earning should increase. But we are not finding the GDP increased or increasing even from month to month or quarter to quarter during from last bottom out, that is March, April to till now. We are not finding this. Now, thirdly, we'll see the companies are making revenue. Companies are having higher EPS, and we are not finding companies are having EPS at the end of even second quarter for 2020-21 financial year, that is which started in the April 2020 and will end on March 2021. We are not finding. So April to June, most of the company had negative EPS. Most of the companies. So let's talk about higher EPS. We are finding the negative EPS, and even July to September, some of the companies, more of the companies had the positive EPS. But we are not finding out there is the higher and higher EPS. We are not finding out. So we are not finding out first, second, third one. So how can we say it is bull market? But it is bull market because again technicals, not the fundamentals. Stock prices are going high. Market showing every day new high, new high, new high. Now, fourth we will find out in the bull market participation by DII, FPI and FII. DII are selling huge and mutual fund domestic institution investors are selling, mutual fund are also selling. Who are buying? FII, foreign institutional investors are buying. So, are they stupid? I don't know. You will say whether FII are stupid and DII and mutual fund managers are more intelligent. I don't know. My concept might differ from other analysts. You have to consider my fact not guaranteed. You must take your own decision. Now, so I will not say bull market started, obviously started by technical fact. Bull market is going to be over sooner or after 1-2 quarters. I am not finding. I might be wrong. Number 5. Many IPOs, initial public offer, will happen. Yes, it is happening, and there is again appreciation after listing. So this is showing that is a bull market. So my number 5 point is good. Now I will say the 6 point, I will say the 7 point. Let's see. Higher EP, higher PE, price earning ratio. We are finding higher price earning ratios for individual company as well as for the market. Individual company, whatever the EPS, and people are buying obviously the fundamental stock with the higher P. So this is also showing a part of bull markets. Now I'll say one more point. In bull markets, there should be no problem of non-employment. There should be no problem of non-employment, but there is a problem. So this is not indicating, because after COVID we are finding employment not available. So from bottom to top, from labor class to manager class, employment has got affected. So this we cannot say showing a bull markets. Now one more point, companies are expanding, expanding by means of capital expenditure, capex, capital expenditures. But instead, the capital expenditures, companies are trying to save money to show some profits. Okay, friends, although this is the bull market, but I am not finding out any characteristics. Only two characteristics I am finding. One is higher PE, higher PE, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. IPOs are there and there is higher P. These two words I am finding, and rest all the other 6 characters or rest all the characteristics I am not finding. So summing everything, I will say this is only start of bull markets, and bull market generally runs at least 1.5 year or 1 year. So considering the March, the bottom out, so at least May end it will land. Now rest, you should take your own decisions. Do not blame me, because everything possible in the markets. So whether we are in the bull markets or not, obviously we are in the bull markets, but we are going, are we going to finish up the bull markets? That we have to decide. And here the appreciation will be very vigorous, and after that the bear, they start selling. Please keep notes, or if I started selling in the market. If no, so according to me, it is true on me, don't be worried. Good night from Radhan Gangopadhyay. Please take your own decisions. I am holding 100% almost investment in my equity, and I have not yet decided to sell by tomorrow or fortnightly. Good night, friend. Thank you.